We're going to start with our babka dough. 1 cup of warm milk, and we are going to pour it with our 1 tablespoon of yeast. You can use the instant yeast in a packet. 1 packet should be enough. We'll add a 1/3 cup of sugar. To use a bread hook. To add my 4 cups of flour. Flour has been sifted before use. So I'm going to start on gear 2 and then go up to gear 4. Because I want to make sure that the flour doesn't splatter all over the counter. I always watch the mixer when I'm doing anything with the mixer, just because one day I was mixing and the mixer decided to do a dance, and as I turned my back, the mixer was on the floor. So that can happen, especially when you're beating it on high. So I always watch the mixer when I'm working in the kitchen. This is what we call a healthy dough. It should be a little sticky. And we're going to let this rest for about 8 hours. It smells divine.
Flour your surface.
So we're going to take our dough and we're going to roll it in a rectangular way.
How do you form the rectangle way?
So it's formed right now. What we're going to do is try to get a width of 1 foot. So we want from here to here to be about 1 foot. So we roll a little bit, make sure we have our flour under our dough, and then we'll roll out. Just like so. Roll it out a little bit. You see how we're trying to keep our rectangular shape. So look at this, perfect rectangular. Also, it doesn't have to be perfect because you can always cut it and shape it later. We are going to batter our dough so the cacao and sugar and chocolate chips will stick. Yeah, Babka?
I know because
Chocolate babka, it's not quite ready, Adina, but look, we're going to put butter. You know why I'm putting butter? Remember, the cacao is not sweet, it's unsweetened cacao. That's why we add our sugar. Powdered sugar is less grainy. I'll use that one. This will make 2 babkas. So you can bake it off and freeze it, or you can freeze it after you form it. Chips. These kind of chips, they don't really melt when you bake them. So you can put Nutella, but we like our babka tasting all chocolate with no nutty taste. I'm going to start to roll it.
They look so delicious.
Adina, do you like babka?
Yeah.
Adina, what am I making?
Babka.
Babka?
Yeah.
And what kind of babka is this?
No, I'm trying to say it, but I just say boka.
You say boka? Okay, I'm making babka, and guess what? It's going to be ready soon. Maybe in an hour or 2. expedite this process, you can put the babka in an oven, in a warm oven that's been on, and you switch it off, and you leave it there with some boiling water, and that should expedite the proofing of the babka. The babka took about 1 hour to proof, and the reason it took so fast was because it's very warm in here. So during the summer months, your dough is going to proof faster. So I added more chocolate chips on top, and I will bake it for 350 degrees for 35 minutes. So this babka recipe gives you 2 babkas. So one I made into a loaf pan one, and one I swirled it into a circle pan. Our babkas are out of the oven. Look how beautiful they are, and they don't even have the glaze yet. It's the second babka. First babka. So this is a little different. I put honey water here, and I added unsweetened cocoa powder. This I'll brush over my babka. Yummy. They look like little roses.